Good evening, y'all. It is Friday night. Sissy is still up in here with me, and we are about to marinate some chicken for tomorrow. We're going to be making some chicken gyros. So we're going to go ahead and get the chicken in a marinade, and we're going to make the yogurt sauce, which I probably never say right. The way the guy said it in the video was Tzatziki Sauce. So, may or may not be right, but that's what we're going to call it, Tzatziki Sauce, because that's what he said, and he seemed like he knew what he was doing. We have made this before, this sauce. I can't remember what we were making with it, but anyway, I know a few years back we made this sauce because I remember the name. Okay, so we'll do the chicken first. We'll go ahead and make the marinade for the chicken. We need some, now we have ground coriander because we couldn't find coriander seeds, but the recipe does say seeds. So anyway, if you can find the seeds, get that. We're just gonna use this. We need smoked paprika, dried thyme, garlic clove, and a lemon. Red pepper flakes. I just had those out a minute ago. What did I do with those? Did I set those red pepper flakes? Oh, there they are. Yeah, I did. Red pepper flakes. We need olive oil, salt, and pepper. And that's it. And we're going to use this little handy dandy thing that Titus got a long time ago. He used to use it to make, I can't remember. He used to crush something up in this. I can't even remember what it was, but we're going to use it today. Had to wash it out real quick. For the coriander, I don't know how many seeds they used, but I'm just going to kind of guesstimate here how much of the ground we would need after they crushed it up, because I saw in the video how much they put in there. I just can't remember what it was. So I think after crushed it would probably be about that much after they crushed it all. Oh, that smells good. Okay, while Sissy's getting that garlic ready for me, I'm going to go ahead and put in 2 tablespoons of this smoked paprika. Oh, this smoked paprika smells good too, y'all. What? This is gonna be good. Garlic going in. We're gonna put in 1 tablespoon of dried thyme. Let's see, Sissy, we got the garlic, we got the, oh, we need the red pepper flakes. 2 pinches of red pepper flakes. We're just gonna do 2 little, what would be a pinch. Yeah, there we go. Salt and pepper. And a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Yeah. We don't really have to crush because we didn't have the seeds. Oh. But we'll just, it's just fun. Yeah. Just stir it around. You can kind of try to crush the garlic a little. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to be putting the chicken in this big bowl. Hold up, we forgot the lemon zest and the lemon juice. Okay, we're just going to throw this in. I'm afraid that I might have more chicken than this recipe makes, but we're just going to go with it. We're going to make this work here. I don't think we have too much more. We'll just stir it around here. And then this is going to go in the refrigerator. We'll put the top on. It smells really, really good. Now, I'll wash this stuff up real quick, then we'll make the tzatziki sauce. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do for the sauce is peel this cucumber and take the seeds out. Okay, we're going to split it in half. So to take the seeds out, I'm just going to take a spoon and scrape them like that. I love the way cucumbers smell. We're just going to go ahead and use this bowl and put this towel over it. It's just a clean, dry towel. And we're going to grate the cucumber just like that. Yeah, the big one. The reason we want to do it over the towel is because we're going to squeeze it dry over the sink over here. We're going to squeeze it out. That way our sauce isn't too thin. Okay, now we'll put it into the bowl. And we're going to put 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt. Okay, Sissy's going to go ahead and be stirring that together. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of vinegar, just white vinegar. 2 teaspoons of olive oil. 1, 2. A teaspoon of salt. And 2 teaspoons of dried dill. I'm just going to chop this up a little bit over here. There we go. That's it. that's the tzatziki sauce. Okay, that's it. It's going in the refrigerator, and we will be happy tomorrow that we did this tonight. Because all we have to do tomorrow is cook the chicken and slice up a few tomatoes and onions, but that's it.
Go ahead and tell you right now, it's got a really good smell to it. Some of y'all may be wondering what I'm doing.
I know I am. I'm wondering.
Everywhere there's a burner, that's where you want to put your meat. You want to sear it first, because it's hotter in that area. I'll tell people what I'm doing.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't.
A lot of people are going to wonder what's that smell, because it smells good.
Yeah, that's a good smell.
Okay, here's the tzatziki sauce. First, we put that on here. It's really thick and creamy. It's good. So y'all remember last week whenever the refrigerator in there froze up on us, we had to take everything out, let it fully defrost so the air could start flowing back from the freezer to the refrigerator, air, whatever the error code was, H1 or something. Got that solved, remember that? Well, now this refrigerator is doing the exact same thing. You can probably see what happened. What happened was we put everything in here, and my plan was, you know, the next day when that refrigerator got cold enough to then bring, you know, everything that we had brought in here back in there. But instead of doing that, I just slowly, you know, as I needed stuff, would come and take it out of this refrigerator and then put it back in that one. I did it slowly. It was a slow process, and this refrigerator got very angry about it. Look, when I hit the top, ice falls. Apparently, we overfilled it, obviously. And yeah, so now this refrigerator did the same thing. It is now empty. We had to take everything out of it, and now I'm gonna take everything out of the freezer, put this stuff in the deep freezer, unplug this refrigerator, open it up, you know, let it thaw out, and then hopefully tonight or in the morning I can plug it back up, and by tomorrow evening it'll be, you know, back in working order. Yeah, lesson learned. Don't make it a slow process to move everything back into your other now unbroken refrigerator. So Jacob and Tyler went to take some trash off for me since we had, you know, to get rid of almost everything that was inside the refrigerator part of this one. When they get back, I think we're going to the Western store. This is a brand new thing of Breyer's Cherry Vanilla. Nobody's ever even opened it yet. previously known as rinds, with yeast rolls that were fluffy and poofy. Are there any rinds still out there? Y'all let us know. Oh look, Manny, it's a boot taker offer.
What? It took it off.
Yeah, it took it right off. I found Ty right there. You saw Daddy? We've been measuring our feet. Manly also tests out the toes on all the boots as he goes by. It's the toe test. You have those kind, Manny?
Mm-hmm.
That's not the ones you're wearing right now, but you have those kind. Oh, look, Cece, here's some sparklies. Oh, you found another boot taker offer? I think it's upside down, though.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's upside down.
It just took my boots off. The sauce was like 11.
Western store number 2. Some people wanted to look at one Western store and some people wanted to look at this Western store.
I gotta get me some different type boots to shoe horses in. I'm getting close to my 40s. My back's starting to give me some trouble.
What are we gonna do when you get in your 40s? I don't know.
I get in my 40s, I tell you what. I'm gonna have to get to where I don't do 18 horses in a day. I just do 10.
Yeah. What do you think?
I should.
You should.
This is my rope. It's my sauce.
This is Aaron right here. He shapes all the hats over here. Western store, he does a really good job. It's not as easy as it looks. I guarantee you it's a pretty hard thing to get that thing shaped right. What kind of hat do you got that would fit him?
We have some of the smaller resistals and Stetsons, but we also have like kids hats. But I think at your age, you can get one of like the nicer Stetsons or resistals.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you sure you can do that, Skaterback? Hold on, let me show you one more time.
Okay.
You got your rope.
Yeah, my bull.
Yeah, you got your bull there. Is he mean?
No, he's not.
Oh, he's a nice bull. Okay, well that makes it better right there. If we rope a nice one, I might start asking people when they ask Daddy to come.
You got
I said, you
this.
got nice cows or mean ones? Oh, you got 2 horns. All right, let go of this right here. Here, you got him.